Hello, I'm David Kraft. I work with a team of clinical microbiologists at Hershey Medical Center in the sweetest place on earth, Hershey, Pennsylvania. As you observe our laboratory over the next few minutes, I'd like to introduce you to a diagnostic microbiology and epidemiology session that Susie Sharp and I will be convening at the ASM General Meeting in Denver, Colorado this May. The title of the session is Clinical Microbiology Lab Result Reporting, and I thought getting the right answer was the hard part. The idea for this session was generated after an interesting discussion that I had with a clinician last year, in which it was clear to me that the results we report go beyond the diligence of talented clinical microbiologists. While laboratory scientists like you and I may be very well trained in the technology and accuracy of the results we report, we do not always appreciate how those results are received by the clinical staff and the implications to clinical and therapeutic management of the patient. Hence the title and challenge of not just getting the right answer, but providing the answer in such a way that it is interpretable and positively influence patient outcomes. In this interactive session, our distinguished speakers will present pertinent clinical and laboratory data to inform the audience, pose questions for interactive response, interpret responses, and discuss strategies for reporting of results that are complex and potentially conflicting in their interpretation. Examples will include challenges that have always been with us, such as cultures that do not match smear reports, observation of commensal flora in clinically significant specimens or quantities, confounding susceptibility test data, and supporting immunology test results. In addition, we will delve into reporting of newly emerging technologies, such as multiplex nucleic acid amplification, mass spectrometry profiles, and sequencing data, which may yield information of unknown clinical significance. Our speakers will be myself, Susie Sharp from Kaiser Permanente in Portland, Oregon, Stephen Jenkins from New York Presbyterian and Weill Cornell in New York City, and Melissa Miller and John Schmitz from the University of North Carolina Hospital Laboratories in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. We hope you will find this topic timely as healthcare continues to become more integrated, centralized, and prevention-focused, increasing the emphasis on integrated team solutions, effective communication, and cost-effective testing strategies in support of infectious disease diagnosis. Our target audience is all of you who have an interest in clinical microbiology, whether student, scientist, or clinician. We hope to see all of you all in Denver in May.